The 13th Party Central Committee made its debut at the Congress. The Congress saw the participation of 1,587 delegates who represented more than 5 million party members nationwide. The Congress elected 200 members for the Party Central Committee, including 180 officials and 20 alternate members. On behalf of the 13th Party Central Committee, General Secretary and State President Nguyen Xuan Phuc thanked delegates of the Congress for trusting and electing them to the supreme leading body of the party.
The 13th Tenor Party Central Committee pledged to exert its utmost efforts to surmount every difficulty, to fulfill their duties, uphold traditions and revolutionary achievements, join the entire party and people to bring into play their glorious traditions and valuable experiences, enhance solidarity and unity, promote the consistency between thought and action, continually make self-improvement on revolutionary virtues and ethics to unceasingly strengthen their political mettle and work capacity, become determined to successfully implement the 13th National Party Congress resolution and meet the revolutionary cause requirements in the new period through aspirations of the entire party, people and army.
The resolution of the 13th National Party Congress was adopted with all delegates voting in favor of it. It identified major socio-economic development targets for 2021 to 2025, orientations for national development for 2021 to 2030, and the 6 key tasks of the 13th tenure. The resolution laid stress on the building of a clean and strong party and political system and renewing methods of the party's leadership and ruling. It highlighted the significance of the fight against corruption. The resolution highlighted the task to contain the COVID-19 pandemic while recovering socio-economic development. First of all, regarding strategic breakthroughs, the resolution underscored the necessity to complete synchronous institutions for development and institutions for the socialist-oriented market economy. The second is to develop human resources, especially high-quality workers. The third is to build a concerted and modern infrastructure network in terms of economy, society, environment, defense, and security, with priority given to the development of certain national key transport facilities and adapting to climate change.